Hello students, today we will start a new chapter from Buzzword book, page number 32, chapter number 3. The topic is Papaya's Adventure. And as the topic includes the name of a fruit, so it is related to that fruit called papaya. This is the story written by Anita Desai. She is an Indian novelist and she is being awarded for her novel Fire on the Mountain. She is awarded with the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1978. Now, this story is about papaya. Here, papaya in this story, the papaya is a name of fruit also and it is a name of a pet also. So how it became the name of a pet, that we will know afterwards. Now, warm-up portion, page number 32. We have two pictures here. As you can see, one is having a picture of a person and a horse. Another one is again a person and a monkey. So here it is the warm-up portion. So we will first see the pictures clearly. Look at these pictures, then discuss in pairs. So here is showing the love and care between a human being and an animal. It is an love between human and animal. They care for each other, they love to each other, and they are very much happy with each other. So here we have some questions here. A. What do you find interesting in these pictures? It shows the interest of a human being and the animals that are being together, that they are caring to each other. Another one is, what kind of relationship do you think these people share with their pets? This is a very caring and loving relationship between them. And we have to list few things that we will take care of our pets, how we will take care of our pets. So that we will do later on. Now, the warm-up portion shows that the chapter is all about the relation between the human beings and the animals, the love and affection, the love and care between them. So, next we will come to page number 33. As you can see on the screen, page number 33. Now I'll start the chapter. Listen carefully. Here it's showing a picture where it is a kitten there, one girl, one boy, and a papaya is kept on a bowl. So, papaya was an odd name to give a grey and white tabby cat with the most beautiful golden eyes and white whiskers and white paws. It is the name of a cat here. It is the name of a cat here. It is a very odd name because we don't give this name to the pets generally, but here it is a name of a cat, a tabby cat. Tabby meaning is given here, a cat with brown or grey fur with dark lines or spots. As you can see on the image, the cat is having dark lines or spots in his body, and its name is Papaya. She's having a beautiful golden eyes and she's having a white whiskers and white paws. But the odd thing about Neera and Niren's beloved pet kitten was her love for Papaya. The very interesting thing in this is Neera and Niren is the two characters here. As you can see, the boy's name is Naren and the girl's name is Neera. They are so very loving to their pet kitten, whose name is Papaya. And what is the odd thing about the pet is the pet loves the papaya so much. The kitten pet loves the papaya so much. Papaya means in Hindi we call it papita. When she was a small kitten, she had smelt a ripe papaya in the big blue china fruit bowl in the middle of the dining table. When she was very small, she found that a ripe papaya was kept in a china fruit bowl on the dining table. She had jumped up and decided to taste this funny, fat fruit. The kitten jumped over the dining table and she decided to taste this funny fat food. Funny fat fruit. She had eaten up nearly half of it before she was found by Mira and Nirain. She was liking the smell of that ripe papaya, so she started eating that. And before she was found by Nira and Nirain, she had already eaten up half of the papaya. It shows that she loves papaya so much. Let's call her Papaya, said Nirain, feeling happy with himself. That's a better name than Kitty. For her than Kitty. Here, Nirain gave her the name Papaya because the kitten loves the papaya so much. Therefore, Nirain has given her the name Papaya, and that was the best name he found for her rather than calling her Kitty. It's a funny name, Neera said. Neera found the name was very funny. उसे वो नाम बहुत funny लगा. That was not the only odd thing about their cat. This was not only the odd thing about their cat, as it is already an odd thing that a cat loves papaya. Another odd thing about the kitten was they discovered next summer that Papaya liked to travel. She was a good traveling cat. They discovered that Papaya loves to travel. Here, Papaya is a kitten. Now, that summer, they were to go to Kashmir for their holidays. They were going to Kashmir for their holidays. But where shall we leave Papaya? Mother said. The mother was very caring about the pet. So she was a little bit worried that where we will keep Papaya, where we will leave the pet Papaya. No one knew. At last, Mother said, I suppose we'll have to take her along. Lastly, Mother has decided that we will take our kitten, our pet, with us. That was just what the children wanted her to say. The children also wanted to take her with them to the holidays. We'll take care of her ourselves like always, they promised and shouting happily. बच्चे उसे अपने साथ ले जाने के लिए बहुत खुश थे. They were very happy, they were shouting happily and they wanted to take care of her themselves. All Papaya saw of the journey was the dark inside of a big, closely woven basket which was bumped, jolted, set down roughly, and carried to and fro. All the time of journey, the papaya was kept inside a closely woven basket. Here the meaning given here, a cane basket that has no gaps on the sides. It is a basket which does not have any gaps on the sides. So she was kept inside the basket, which was bumped, jolted, moved suddenly and roughly, and set down and kept roughly and carried to and fro, carried back and forth. They were keeping the kitten inside that basket for the whole journey. She curled herself up at the bottom of the basket, sighed deeply, and fell asleep. She was sleeping inside the basket. This is all about their journey. Till this journey, the kitten Papaya was kept inside the basket and she was sleeping inside it. Now we will proceed to page number 34. As you can see on the screen, this is page number 34. Now we'll proceed. She woke up at another bump. She heard something swishing past very softly. Swishing is a sound of water when it's passed very fastly from near from you. It is a sound of water when we when we can hear the sound of water passing from us. Now she woke up at another bump. She heard something swishing past her softly. It was much cooler too. She sat up in her basket, straightening her whiskers, and heard Neera and Niren shouting with excitement. What whiskers mean here? Whiskers. As we can see, when we see a mouse, a cat, you see a long hair near their mouth or nose. Lambi lambi मूंछों वाले बाल. Is it? We see like that, no? Long hairs near the mouth. That is called whiskers. So straightening her whiskers, she heard Neera and Niren shouting with excitement. She heard the sound of Neera and Niren and they were shouting with excitement. They were very happy. Look at the funny little boats with cushions and curtains, said Neera excitedly. As we know, Kashmir is a place where we can see lots of lakes, and on that lakes there were many boats carrying flowers, many decorative things, many fruits. So they can see that on the lake, and they were very happy watching the beautiful little boats full of cushions, curtains, flowers, etc. So they were very happy and excited to see all that. Those are shikaras, little water taxis, said father. There in Kashmir, the boats are called shikaras, the boats which carries fruits, which carries flowers, etc. The decorative boats are called shikara there, said father. That are also called little water taxis. Wow, there is one going by full of flowers, said Niren. Niren has watched a boat which was full of flowers. A boat which is called Shikara there that was full of flowers. And there goes one with vegetables, added Neera. Another boat was carrying vegetables, and they both were watching all these boats around them. Oh, which is our houseboat? Houseboat, asked Neera impatiently. Neera was very impatient to know which is our houseboat. Houseboat is a boat which is made or designed according to a house. There is a sitting arrangement over there. There is a windows over there. So that boats which are made like same as houses are called houseboat. See if you can spot the Star of Kashmir, replied mother. The Star of Kashmir. The houseboat was known as the Star of Kashmir. It was so very beautiful, so it was named as the Star of Kashmir. That one, the one with pink curtains, the one with flower pots, Neera said, pointing to a large houseboat in front of them. They can see a large houseboat which carries beautiful pink curtains, beautiful flower pots, and it looks so very beautiful. So Neera found it and she was shouting excitedly, saying that it is the Star of Kashmir boat. My goodness, look at the water lilies, mother. Have you ever seen such enormous lilies? Niren said, surprised. They were very happy to see the water lilies around them. It is very casual. Uh, it is very natural to have lots of lilies, water lilies around the lake in Kashmir. Now they were very happy to see the water lilies around them, Neera and Niren. They both were very much happy and they were very much surprisingly asking to the mother. They were having fun all by themselves, and poor Papaya was not even allowed a peep. The poor Papaya was still inside the basket and she was not allowed a peep. She was not allowed a peep means वो थोड़ा सा भी निकल के देख नहीं सकती थी. So as soon as the lid of the basket was opened, Papaya sprang out with an angry meow. She was very angry as she was kept inside the basket. So when the lid of the basket was opened, She sprang out. वो उछल के बाहर निकली and she was showing her anger by saying a angry meow. She's all right, Neera cried, picking her up and squeezing her. She's all right, that Neera said, and she was picking the kitten on her arms and squeezing her. Let her down, said Mother. She wants to look around. Mother said, let the kitten be down. Let her move here and there. She wants to look around. She wanted to look all around. So leave the kitten to go anywhere. At first sight, the houseboat seemed to be a little wooden house. At the first sight, when they saw the houseboat, it seemed to be a little wooden house. जब पहली बार houseboat को देखा तो वो एक छोटा सा लकड़ी के घर की तरह दिख रहा था. It was looking like a little wooden house. Now we'll move to next page. Page number 35. As you can see, page number 35 here. Which they had brought her. जहां पर वह अपने किटन को लेके आए थे. Pink curtains flapped in the breeze at the windows and the long leaves of a willow tree swayed outside. Willow tree is a kind of tree with dropping branches found near water bodies in regions with cold weather. It is a tree which we can found in a cold weather areas, in cold weather regions. It is having a tree with dropping branches and which are found near water bodies in regions with cold weather. There were pots of flowers on the balcony, patterned rugs on the floor. Rugs are the small carpets made from thick material. Rugs are mostly used in Kashmir areas as it's very warm. So mostly in Jammu and Kashmir, mostly people keep these rugs inside their houses also, and they put it on the floor to keep the house or the room warm. A room stuffed with a sofa, calendar, magazines and wooden knickknacks. It looks pretty and comfortable. The houseboat was very beautiful with pink curtains. It is carrying flowers on the balcony, the rugs on the floor. It carries calendar decorated with lots of small wooden materials. The calendars were there, the magazines were there, the wooden knickknacks were there. Knickknacks here given as small decorative objects. So it is all like a beautiful wooden house. Papaya hopped up on the window. She was very happy, so she hopped up on the window and then froze slowly. Froze slowly means she got scared, froze. She got scared. Slowly her back arced. Arced here means curved. It has taken a curving shape. All her hair stood on end and her eyes grew large and black with horror at what she saw. She was very much frightened. She was very much scared when she saw the outside view. All her hair stood at end. जैसे अगर हम डर जाते हैं तो रोंगटे खड़े हो जाना बोलते हैं ना, that is called her hair stood at end. The meaning given here is her hair became stiff since she was frightened. She was very much scared. All around the houseboat, all around the house, there was nothing but a sheet of water. When she saw outside, there is only water she can see outside. With a cry, she sprang down and raced away till she was in a dark corner of the sideboard. She sprang down and raced away. वह नीचे कूद गई और तेजी से भागकर डार्क कॉर्नर में चली गई. She gone to the dark corner of the sideboard. Then she heard everyone laugh. They had tricked her. She heard that everyone, that is Neera and Nirain, were laughing on her and they have tricked her. They have tricked her. Here is the end of the story, and this is the story all about Papaya the cat. I'll give you a little small theme of the lesson. The main theme of the lesson is to make the concept clear that an animal's nature and behavior is different in different situations. Different animals reacts differently and shows their nature accordingly. Animals are also an important part of our nature, and they also have all the right to live in this world peacefully. So we should always be caring to the animals. I hope you all have understood the chapter carefully, properly. So thank you, students.